sabi. Ay sabi. Ay sabi.
Be tied up securely. Okay. Smoking and consumption of liquor and illegal drugs at the site are strictly prohibited. These are ecotourism policies, wildlife hunting, collecting or picking flora and fauna in the area is strictly prohibited. Writing graffiti and throwing garbage anywhere is punishable by law, an imprisonment of not more than 30 days, and a fine of 1,000 pesos or both, as per Municipal Ordinance number 02, that's 2007. Another important reminders for those who have medical history or issues like asthma, allergies, and any others, please inform us prior to the activity. So, no medical history? Plan.
Ready! Woo! Go jump! Woo! Video! Woo! Tulod! Woo! Okay, hinay. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Higher jump. Jumper, ma'am. Jumper lang niya. Nice one. Woo! Good job. Nice one. Okay. Go. Nice one. Nice. Okay. Woo! Small cave. Yes.
Murag wala kasi yung kids ba?
Woo! Ready. Woo! Down, down. Yes. Yes. Woo! Nice one. Woo! Yeah. Ready? 3, 2, 1, jump! Kaya. Nice one! Woo!
So, ayun na nga mga bebs. After Alegria Canyoneering, bumiyahin ako papuntang Moalboal and I stayed maayong hostel. Ito yung mga private room nila for only 1,800 per day. Yung sa akin naman is dormitory or shared room for only 550 per day. Nag-book ako sa mismong Facebook page nila. If you are planning to stay longer, di mas scared. May sarili silang sampayan so hindi mo na kailangan magpa-laundry. O tingnan nyo yung handle nila. Napaka-cute, unique. Ito naman yung dining area nila and every 4 to 6 p.m. they offer buy one take one drinks. Included na yung mga cocktails. And sa gilid naman, nandito yung mapa ng Panagsama Road. Dyan sa gilid. At saka may mga tour din, katulad ng Osmeña Peak. Pwede din kayo dito mag-book. Ayan yung mapa dyan. Puntahan na natin yung dormitory room. And as you know guys, first time ko magstay sa hostel. And ako lang yung Pinay dito. Mostly sa mga kasama ko is European. So pinili ko tong bed na to kasi para iwas disturbo pag natutulog ka. So far naman, wala namang maingay. Okay naman yung experience ko. At syempre, favorite tambayan ko to. Dito ako natutulog sa duyan after ng land tour or kaya free diving. Yung mga roommates ko naman, dito din sila tumatambay. Kumakain sila, nagiinuman, nag-uusap. I highly recommend maayong hostel, lalo na sa mga solo traveler dyan. Malinis yung room, approachable din yung mga staff. At syempre, malapit lang siya sa Panagsama Road. 5 minutes lang siya. Hindi mo na kailangan mag-rent ng motor. Mas safe pa.
Meanwhile,
3 a.m. na. Kung ingani nga dalan imahang agihan, ganahan pa ka maghubog-hubog. Grabe ka raw. Thank you for watching mga bebs. See you on the next vlog.